Combat unconscious gender bias. Let's help our students see women as intelligent, powerful, successful leaders. The goal of this presentation is to remind ourselves and our students that women are extremely capable of being leaders and changing our world. Intelligent, powerful, successful female leaders are all around us. Example 1, Hillary Clinton, former First Lady, Secretary of State, and politician. In her life, she has been a lawyer, Secretary of State, Senator from New York, First Lady of Arkansas, First Lady of the United States. She ran for president in 2008 and then again in 2016 when she received the Democratic Party's nomination. Melinda Gates, co-chair of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Melinda Gates is the most powerful woman in philanthropy. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation is changing lives all over the world, focusing on healthcare. The foundation is working to ensure more children and young people survive and thrive. Michelle Obama, former First Lady. Before Michelle was a First Lady, she held many public service positions in Chicago. She was also a lawyer. As First Lady, she focused her attention on social issues such as poverty, healthy living, and education. Oprah Winfrey, American media executive, actress, talk show host, television producer, and philanthropist. Oprah has the Oprah Winfrey Show, Oprah Winfrey Network, O Magazine. She was an actress. She has Oprah.com, Oprah's Book Club, and the Oprah Winfrey Foundation. Mary Barra, CEO of General Motors. GM's annual revenue rose 9.2% in 2016 under Barra. Plans to move GM to 100% electric cars by 2025 are in place. She's also on Disney's board of directors. Susan Wojcicki, CEO of YouTube. She has been CEO since 2014 with a main goal of keeping disturbing content and hoaxes off the website. She was also Google's 16th employee hired in 1999. She also sits on the board of Salesforce.com. Indra Nooyi, CEO of PepsiCo. PepsiCo brands are known all over the world. Pepsi, Lay's, Quaker, Lipton, Aquafina, Starbucks bottled beverages, and Tostitos are just a few. She has a goal of pushing PepsiCo toward healthier offerings. Working to cut sugar, salt, and fat from many PepsiCo products is one of her goals. Adina Friedman is the president and CEO of NASDAQ. She is the first woman to lead a major New York stock exchange. She also launched the NASDAQ Analytics Hub. She is working to modernize NASDAQ. Thank you for your attention.